Hello, this is Ring Ring. Welcome to Software Architecture Learning Journal by Kotlin. In this series, I'll be sharing what I've learned about software architecture basics using Kotlin. In this video, we'll be exploring code reuse using sample code from a microservices architecture. Please check out the microservice architecture branch from the GitHub URL in the description to access the source code. First, let's talk about code duplication. In the sample app, we handle exception classes with code duplication. The advantage of duplication is that it prevents coupling through code reuse. However, the downside is the high cost of code changes. Therefore, code that is unlikely to change once implemented might be fine to handle with duplication. The next approach is shared libraries. In the sample app, we use serialization and date libraries. The benefit of shared libraries is the ability to change shared code immediately when needed, thanks to version control. However, the drawback is the cost associated with version control, including version propagation, determining compatibility with each service, and deleting old versions. Additionally, having shared libraries for each language, if services are written in different languages, can be a disadvantage. Lastly, we have shared services. In the sample app, since the session validation is used by other services, it could be considered a shared service. The advantage of shared services is the ability to share code regardless of the language used by each service. However, the downside is the impact on performance, fault tolerance, and scalability, as well as the increased risk during service updates. Increased risk during updates means that, unlike shared libraries, the impact of updating shared services cannot be understood without running the services. That wraps up the explanation for this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Stay tuned for more content on introductory software architecture with Kotlin. Now, happy coding.